Good afternoon everyone, today we're showing you a quick video about how you change the traction control setting on your Mercedes. Now on like a Mercedes C Class, like a diesel version or petrol version, you can't vary the ability to adjust the traction control unless you have an aftermarket setting fitted to the car, or have the AMG model like the 63 or the E63 or the C63. But you can turn the traction control off or on, but I don't recommend it because it's not safe. Only do it like if you're, only do it if you know exactly what you're doing with the car after it's been turned off. So the way in which you can do that is you go into, press the home button on your steering wheel. You then go into vehicle. You can also go into vehicle via this button down here if you wish. So go to vehicle, and you're going to want to go to assistance, and then make sure the engine is on, and then you're going to want to go to ESP, and ESP, then you turn that off from there, and that's how you turn on and off the traction control, guys. But I don't recommend turning it off unless you know exactly what you're doing with the car. I won't be responsible for any issues that you incur with that. It's just showing you how you do it if you wanted to. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next video.